Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this portable charger from RORRY will make sure all of your favorite devices always have power.
I hate when I'm on vacation or at a theme park and all of my stuff dies, especially my watch. That's the one thing that I definitely do not carry a charger for, but this power bank literally has everything. Not only is it nice and small and portable, it can fit in a big purse or a little one just as easily. I love that it has the ability to charge not just my phone, but my watch as well. So it comes with a lightning port, a USB-C, a place for your watch to charge, and you can also put a USB-C in the charging port as well, and everything can be charged. That's four devices with one power bank. Like I said, it has it all.
Never lose a charge on the go and get this portable power bank from RORRY. I think it is absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.